We will talk about most important vitamins. Vitamin D3 is most important and most deficient vitamin in the world. Vitamin D3 deficiency affects around 1 billion people in the world, especially children, pregnant women, and elderly. Vitamin D3 is important because it is required for absorption of calcium. It's important for bone strength, and if vitamin D deficiency occurs in children, they have rickets. If all people have vitamin D deficiency, they have osteoporosis. Both of them is because of weakness of bones, because of lack of calcium and lack of calcium absorption. Another important function of vitamin D3 is formation of immune cells. So if person has vitamin D deficiency, his or her immune system is weakened. Also, it affects mood, it causes depression. And now let's say what are the symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. First and most common symptom is fatigue. Second most common symptom is depression, muscle weakness, and bone pain. So, fatigue, depression, muscle weakness, and bone pain are classical symptoms of vitamin D3 deficiency. What is treatment? Treatment is supplementation. Daily requirement of vitamin D3 is 600 international unit, and maximal upper tolerable level and safe level is 4,000 international unit per day. Of course, if person will intake more dosage of vitamin D, it's nothing for 1 day, it's nothing for 2 days. But if person intake such high dosage for several weeks, for example, it can cause toxicity of vitamin D. Second, uh, let's say what is the natural sources of vitamin D. It's sun exposure. Sun exposure is important because under the sun we have synthesized vitamin D in our body. Second, from foods, important is fatty fish, eggs and cheese and several dairy products, but best source is fatty fish. Second, important is B12, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 deficiency affects around 10% of world population. It's also important, especially vitamin B12 deficiency is common among vegetarians. And vitamin B12 is important to synthesize DNA. Synthesis of DNA is important to synthesize and creation of new cells. That's why vitamin B12 deficiency causes anemia. It is called megaloblastic anemia. You can see hypersegmented neutrophils in the blood and megaloblasts. Also, vitamin B12 is important to synthesize myelin sheaths. They are cover or protection of nerves, and when nerves are unprotected and nerves are damaged, that's why person has symptoms like tingling and numbness. They are symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. So if person has neurological symptoms, it can be because of vitamin B12 deficiency. Also, it can cause glossitis, inflammation of tongue. So anemia, neurological symptoms like tingling and numbness in the hands or feet. It can be vitamin B12 deficiency and glossitis, inflammation of tongue. What are the natural sources of vitamin B12? It's meat, dairy products like cheese, milk, and fish also. Also, person can intake vitamin B12 supplementation also. Third, most important and common vitamin which are commonly deficient also is vitamin C. Vitamin C is important and very potent antioxidant. It means it can uh, neutralize free radicals. Also, vitamin C is important for collagen synthesis and for collagen creation, and collagen is important for our skin elasticity. And if our skin cells are damaged by free radicals and no collagen synthesis or minimal collagen synthesis, it means our skin loses its appearance, it's wrinkled, it has discoloration because of cell death. So it causes premature aging of skin. Also, scurvy or gum bleeding is important and common when person has vitamin C deficiency, and easy bruising. It's another symptom. When person has easy bruising, it can be because of vitamin C deficiency, especially in countries where there is no adequate nutrition. Vitamin C deficiency can be very common. What are the best treatment for vitamin C deficiency? It's supplementation or intake of citrus. Citrus fruits are full of vitamin C, and if you regularly intake fruits, you can intake daily dosage of vitamin C. And vitamin A is another important vitamin. Vitamin A deficiency is common among children. 30% of world kids have vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency can cause delayed growth, night blindness, and dry eyes. Carrots, pumpkins, fish, liver, and dairy products contains vitamin A. So from foods you can intake enough vitamin A to recover from this deficiency. That's all I wanted to say. To summarize, most important and deficient vitamins are vitamin D3, vitamin B12, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Thank you for your interest. Thank you for your watching. If you like my videos, please thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye for now.